Have you ever heard of a hearing aid? Do you know what it does? Hearing aids are little pieces of technology that you wear on your ears to help you hear. Cochlear implants have the same idea as hearing aids. They help you hear too, and they attach to your head with a magnet. Some of your peers are deaf or hard of hearing, which means they do not hear the same way as you do, and that's okay. They can use hearing aids or cochlear implants to help them hear. They can also use what is called an FM system. This is like a microphone that puts the teacher's voice right into their hearing aids or implants so they can hear the lesson being taught. When you see your teacher wearing a lanyard around their neck with a digital piece on it, that is part of the FM system. Sometimes the classroom is noisy, which makes it even harder to hear important information. The FM system helps with that. And because it can be hard to hear in a noisy classroom, your deaf and hard of hearing friends may also choose to sit in the front of the classroom. This is so they have the best chance of hearing what the teacher is saying. And if the student has an interpreter, they can see them best when sitting at the front of the class. An interpreter takes what we are hearing from the teacher, puts it into American Sign Language, and signs it as a visual helper for the student.